Hi guys, thanks for tuning into KORC. I thought I'd just introduce you guys to the latest addition to my Tamiya TGX collection. This is the TGX Mark 1 TRF Special Chassis Kit. It's kit number 44015, which was released in late 1998. It came in kit form and with 14 optional parts, including the 2-speed transmission, aluminium flywheel, the aluminium engine mounts. It's got sway bars front and rear, has a ball differential in the back, TRF low friction dampers, it has the aluminium uprights, and also comes with a urethane bumper as well. It's got a full set of Tamiya ball bearings, it's got an upgraded brake, and this TGX also came fitted with all of the plastics in black, which really finishes off this kit nicely over the old usual grey that you used to get in the normal standard kits. So I recently purchased this chassis kit from eBay, and I've been spending a bit of time lately cleaning it up, as it was in pretty bad shape when I got it. The chassis plate was bent pretty significantly, the front bar was bent up pretty good as well. And since I've been cleaning it up as well, I've also added a few more Hopups to it. I've put on the aluminium brake mechanism for the TGX and TG10. I've also fitted a carbon brake disc to it because it just came with a standard brake disc. And I've also put in some turnbuckles for the tie rods, and it's also fitted with aluminium control arms front and rear as well, which is a nice touch to finish off the chassis. I decided to go with the O.S Max 15CV Hyper Glow engine in this one, and it's been fitted with an aftermarket alloy pipe on it, which I cleaned up as well. It's cleaned up pretty nicely, sort of finishes the car off really well. I do still have a few items that I need to finish off the car to get it running. I do need to get some servo horns for the throttle and brake, and I've also have to get a battery pack. And I'm going to put another Futaba receiver in it, and they'll go with these O.S RC 10 kilo servos that I picked up from the guys up at O.S RC. They're a really nice, quiet servo, really powerful. So hopefully they'll do the trick in this car as well. Yeah, so the wheels and tyres on this thing are in reasonable shape. There's enough left on them to at least get out and give it a run. As this car had been run pretty hard before, I'm not too worried about taking it out. This is another car that I can't wait to get out for a run at the local track. Unfortunately, due to some recent restrictions, I haven't been able to get out there for a run. This is another car that I don't just want to bash around in a car park. You know, the rocks and stones in the car park, especially when it comes to these spur gears, because they're getting pretty hard to find and replace. So once I get out to the track, I've still got to take out the R33 for a run, and then I've got to take out the other TGX as well, which had some mechanical issues with the clutch last time out. So hopefully soon I can get some more running videos out. Let me know what you guys think about the chassis in the comments below. If you like or don't like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up or down. You can also check out KORC on Instagram to keep up with the latest on my collection. And be sure to check out my other videos here on YouTube. I've got plenty of TGX and plenty of TG10. Even got some Mad Bison videos. And they're running, how-tos, restos, all that sort of stuff. So, as always, thanks for taking the time to have a look. Cheers.